In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your backlight is not working on your ASUS keyboard. So the first thing you need to do to fix this issue is ensure the backlight is actually turned on. Now, usually your keyboard will contain a function key and it will also have a secondary key to control the lighting of the keyboard. So on my particular model of ASUS, I'm going to press the FN key here. And I can also press the up and down arrow to control the lighting. So you can see if I just move this all the way up to the top, it gets brighter. And if I move it all the way down to the bottom, obviously that turns off the lighting. So you just need to find these two keys on your keyboard and first of all, just try that. Now, if that doesn't work for you, what you'll need to do is head over to the Start menu on your computer, search for Armoury Crate, and then click on the Armoury Crate application. Now, if you don't have this software installed on your PC, then all you simply need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine we can just type in Armoury Crate download and hit enter. Head over to this top search result here, and from this website you can just download the official Armoury Crate application. Once you're on Armoury Crate, we need to head over to the device tab on the left hand side, click on System, and over in the top here you should have a tab called Lighting. Now, I don't have this tab on my particular model of ASUS, but if you do have a tab in here called Lighting, you'll need to go ahead and select that. And there should be a settings button inside of the Lighting tab, which will allow you to turn on and off the sleep function. So all you need to do is go into Lighting and turn off the sleep function, and that should have solved your backlight issue on your ASUS laptop. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.